how to cleaning blueberry. Very good and very easy. This way you take blueberry to cleaning and very easy. Yeah, you see, I have a very easy. This have clean blueberry. This one. This is cleaning. After when they haven't go down everything, then you take off this by self with your hand. This like this. Because some is they have berries together, then